Hi folks, welcome to Charity Farms. I am Mr. Charity. Also, my real name is Dave. I am Teresa's husband. Today we're going to make hot cocoa. And you're thinking, what's the big deal? I could open a packet and make my own hot cocoa. Yes, you can. However, I think this is much better. As you'll see here in a moment, there's a lot of preservatives. It's made with alkali that is designed to help it dissolve in water, reduce the bitterness. Homemade cocoa tastes so much better. You can use whatever milk you want, whatever sugar you want. We prefer cacao, but you can use really whatever. And the nice thing is, if it's leftover, if you drink it cold, it's basically chocolate milk. If you warm it back up, you have hot chocolate again. It's also delicious in coffee, guys. Hint, give your wife or a girlfriend a hot mocha in the morning. Get your minds out of the gutter. A coffee mocha, they'll love you forever. So what we're going to do is we're going to make enough basically for my wife and I with some leftover so we can have it tomorrow. So normally I don't measure, I just kind of eyeball it. But for all the measure people, the anal retentive people who like to measure, we're going to go ahead and measure just for you folks. See, I love you too. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our pan. We have a gas stove, so I typically keep everything toward a low, medium. There we go. Don't want to burn the milk. Absolutely don't want to burn the milk. Let me grab our milk. So we use real milk, vitamin D. I do put a little half and half in there to give it a little creamy texture, but if you're milk lactose intolerant, you could use like a lactate. If you do soy milk, almond milk, which I don't think is real milk, it's just water that tastes like milk. I've had it. But again, I still love you. You can use that too. Really, it's whatever you want. Low fat, medium fat, high fat, whatever you want. It's your recipe. You do what you want. So we're going to start with, I'm going to say about 3 cups of milk to start. Again, we like extras. You know, guys, you can make this for your girlfriends on Valentine's Day. They'll love you forever. Girls, if you make this for your guy on Valentine's Day, they're going to be like, what do you want? Then, I'd say about 1 or 2 cups of half and half, probably 2. Again, we like it a little on the creamy side. And it's all natural, good, wholesome fat from a cow. Okay, there's not much half and half. We're going to call that 2 and change. Throw that in the recycle bin because we are economically and ecologically conscious here at Charity Farms. So, there's my whisk. I know I put it somewhere. I love this whisk. Every episode, it's a transformer. Ooh. So we have cacao actually in a container. And you can use Hershey's cocoa, whatever. I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup. The wife and I like it a little on the chocolatey side. I would go lighter. You can always add chocolate later. Plop. Doesn't have to be strained or anything. And just start mixing. And this is kind of the boring part because you have to wait for the milk to get hot, everything to dissolve. All these lumps, bubbles, all this will go away once it gets hot. And again, you can control the temperature as well, too. You don't want it super boiling hot. Otherwise, you'll talk like this and you'll sound funny. You can add marshmallows. You can add a whole bunch of stuff. So again, these bubbles will go away. Just have to get the milk. You don't have to keep stirring, but I would stir very frequently. It is milk. It will burn. Plus, you're going to put sugar in here. That will burn, too. So just keep an eye on your temperature. Ladies, you can show this to your boyfriends, husbands, let me get this stirring. Honey, look, will make me cocoa. You will like making me cocoa. It'll be delicious cocoa. You're getting sleepy. So that is a pretty good color. But again, you can taste it. I've done this enough times. I am the cocoa master, prepared to be terminated. I have not put sugar in here. We're going to do that now. Again, if you don't like sugar, you can do agave. I would not really put like honey because it's going to give it like a honey flavor. But you could do it if you're, oh no, sugar. Put stevia, monk fruit, whatever sugar substitute you want. I'm going to rinse off this a little bit. Dry off my cup. So, 1/4 cup. 2 1/4 cups. Okay, quick, how much is that? 1/2 cup. As you saw, cacao does have a little bit of nutrients. It's healthy hot chocolate. Calcium, iron, potassium. What else they got? Copper, essential minerals we need. I am drinking my vitamins and minerals in hot chocolate. So what I'm going to do is get a spoon and taste this. And it's just my wife and I, so we can, double dip. But if you're making this for family, put it in a glass or something. That'd be nasty. I think another 1/4 cup sugar. Chocolatey is definitely there. Does get a little frothy. That's just the air being mixed in as I whisk it. Whisk it good. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Okay, I'm in the 80s now. For those of you who have no idea what I'm talking about, look up Whip It by Devo. If you know what I'm talking about, congratulations, you're old like me. I would say this does have milk, sugar, and obviously chocolate, cacao. Do not give it to your pets. Don't leave it out overnight. I know if we do, our cats are going to drink it. It's very bad for them. Same thing with dogs. Don't give it to the dog. Don't give it to your fish. Just drink it. So I'm going to let that be. We're going to get our coffee mugs. Check these babies out. Nice. I'm going to do it over here. Put the cocoa lid back on. Move the sugar over. So I will show you the secret. The ladle. Stir this. Probably going to get some paper towels ready. This can make a mess. But I do want to thank you for visiting us today. This is just about done. Thank you for hanging out, spending time. I hope you enjoy the cocoa. Let us know what you think in the comments. What you use, cocoa, milk, oat milk, goat milk. Please like and subscribe. Help us grow. We appreciate it. We're almost done, I promise. So, okay, it's closer to 15 minutes. Yes, I could blast this on high, but I don't want to run the risk of, boil over, burning it, scalding it. Low and slow, baby. Low and slow. It's basically over the pot. You ladle it into the mug. You might get some on the outside. That's fine. It'll dribble into the pot itself. You don't get it on your counter. Doesn't make a huge mess. I know my burner's still on. I'm going to do this one. There go the paper. Oh, that one's pretty clean. Woo, I am good. Cool, so that's it. So thank you so much. Again, please like and subscribe, help us grow. We love you, bless you, thank you. Have a nice day.